videos.
Alarm's gonna go off.
Today's video starts in the Broadlands with some cool drone footage as usual.
She's wearing the shirt that I like. I'm looking by, scared to say hi. I don't know why I don't try.
Today's awesome realtor from the Fox Home team, it's Leah Molina. Do something cool, Leah. The first shot we're doing today is a trick shot where we're gonna have Leah appear there, but then she's gonna appear there, and then she's gonna appear in there.
I just wanna love somebody. I just wanna dance the night away. I just wanna hold somebody. Think about it.
Next up is a first for our videos. We're adding some pyrotechnics. Nothing but the best Hollywood budget for videos like this.
All the time. I just wanna love somebody.
So you want me to try with my heels on? This is gonna hurt so bad.
Nobody's home. We're all alone. Don't wanna say what I do. She would pick up the phone. We could make it our own. I couldn't say no to you. She pulls her hair behind her ear again, and I wish that she would stop and let me in this time.
What's your favorite part about doing these videos?
'Cause they
When it's over.
I just wanna love somebody. I just wanna dance the night away.
Thank you for watching our latest listing behind the scenes, and peace out, bro.